Hi, sir. Can you help to me? Of course, I want to help you, but why have you need any help? Because I am bounding to the post office. It is not far. It is the near of the red buildings. Please go straight and turn left and to see the new red buildings in front to this office. Okay. Myself is Mimi Ghosh. I completed my qualifications MA and B.Ed course, and I like to studying different varieties books to acquire knowledge and likes to watch the TV programs. Hi sir, why are you called to me? I call to you because I want to inform that your son is very weak to the subjects. What is the subject? My son is very weak. Is the subject is the English subject. So I suggest to you that you should be to pay attention and take carefully to these weak subjects. Okay, sure. I remember to your suggestions. Thank you. Noun, proper of noun, noun, kinds of noun, proper noun, common noun, collective nouns, materials nouns, and abstract noun. Nouns understand the means of names, people or persons or animals' name and different names of things. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, materials noun, and abstract noun. Pronoun understand the name. Pronoun understand the instead of noun. Pronoun understand the instead of noun. He, she, you. It is pronoun. Verb understand actions or working. Sleep, go, do, eat. Adverb modifies to the verbs he, was, slowly adverb. Prepositions in, on, with, above, across, between, under, beside. Conjunction is adding to the sentence and or but. Interjections it means the emotionals to the emotionals. Hi, alls. Present indefinite tense he eats rice. Present continuous tense I am eating rice. Present perfect tense I have come to the house. Present perfect continuous tense I have been going to the house. Past tense I went to the office.